the keratin of Hair Beauty to keep hair smooth and up to 99% dryness-free. New Cream Silk Dry Rescue. Where can your hair take you?
Ang magpapahappy sa atin. Hanggang next time na lang ba? Ba't di natin gawin? Make happy happen with Enervon. Make best sad happen. Mag-Enervon para may energy at di sakitin. So we may make happy happen.
Rexona with Dry Shield technology keeps you free from sweat all day. See for yourself. Make each day count. Do more. Rexona, it won't let you down.
Sa isang tikim challenge, lasap ko agad ang lasa ng karne sa isang tikim lang. Ito, ito sa Nor Cubes.
Mas maraming nga!
Ang Nor Cubes may 5 times more meat kaysa granules. Sa Nor Cubes, isang tikim lang.
Karne-karne ang sarap! I love your soft touch. I love your skin, it feels so moisturized. Palmolive Natural Soft and Moisture.
More reasons to give in to pure
Gusto niya ngayon.
Ah!
Kaya bawat tableta,
Tawa malakas.
gawa sa mga modernong paggawa. Mababa ang presyo para abot kayo.
When there's enough to be done, one day is not enough. Good thing there's smart people. All text 30 plus. Unlimited text to all networks and 30 minutes of calls. All for 2 days. Text AT30 to 2827.
Hi! Saan ka? Hindi ako pwede. Super busy kami ni Mom buong weekend. 48 hours na lang, opening na ang cafe. Hello? Get hot. Rich licensed ever hot oil. Get smoothness hanggang 48 hours. Hindi niya ganyan yung new shoes mo. Sige lang anak. Kung ang mga nasaan ay may kabutihan ka. Dahil ngayon, meron ang All New Breeze Active Bleach. Sa Revolutionary Active Bleach, tanggal ang pinakamatinding mancha. To prevent pimples after washing with soap, mag-Sentinel ka. Best in removing pimple-causing dirt. Now with Microplant antibacterial formula na kayang tanggalin ang bacteria, dirt, and oils. No Sentinel. How unifying Filipina beauty. For me, it's perfectly bagsak hair. Palmolive Natural Silky Straight Conditioner. 100% natural extracts. Its advanced formula helps you every strand.